Hi, Fred Gagnon here, the owner of Napa's Premier Service Center located in Marietta, Georgia. I hope you are doing well. If you're a first-time customer, watch to the end of this video and I'll have a special discount offer just for you. If you ever wanted to know more about your vehicle's maintenance needs but were afraid to ask your mechanic or thought perhaps the answer might be too technical, then this brief video will provide you with important information that I think you'll find helpful. My staff and I are dedicated to making sure you can drive your vehicle worry-free for as long as possible and at the least expense. Now don't forget, at the end of this video I've got a special offer just for you as a first-time customer.
Tie rods are attached to the steering rack and play a critical role in helping push and pull the front tires as the steering wheel is turned. There are two tie rod ends, the inner and the outer, which connect to the steering knuckle and turn the front wheels. To make sure the tie rods are working properly, we recommend having them checked once a year or during your alignment check. But if your tires are wearing easily or you are suffering from erratic steering, chances are the tie rod ends are worn out and they need a replacement. If the tie rod ends get worn out, this will cause the tires to become misaligned, which will lead to a needed tire replacement and an alignment check. And if ignored long enough, a worn tie rod end can cause substantial damage to your steering and suspension system. And from a safety standpoint, there is a large safety risk since erratic driving can lead to an accident. But from an environmental point of view, there is a low impact from a worn out tie rod end.
So, please give us a call and we'll be glad to answer all your questions and provide you with any helpful and friendly advice you may need. And now for my special offer. As a first-time customer, you can choose either a free full-service oil change or $25 off any repair or maintenance service of your choice. Just give us a call and say, I want the new customer special. This is my way of saying thanks for giving us a try.